So I would just like to go through a couple of games that I played today, and this game is me against a fellow called Surx, and I play white. And I start with the birds opening. So it's normal developing moves. I like this scenario when he threatens my knight here. I typically prefer bishops over knight anyway, so as Fritz says here, you can move the pawn forward and threaten it and kick it off or exchange, which I think I'm up by the exchange afterwards. So castles. Normally when I play this opening, I usually go for some kind of pawn advance on the e file. So that's why I put the rook on that file. But this time I played a bit different. You see, since he put his queen there, I couldn't really resist the temptation going there with my knight. So takes. And this is possibly a bad move, I think, because it really has nothing to it. I mean, it can't do anything there, and it will be pushed away. So the rook threatens that pawn, and it has to go forward, and I push away the knight. And of course I take it, so I can mess up his pawns even more now. And if you castle on the queen side, it's pretty open, as you see here. The black king should have moved to b8 in this game. At least I think so. So I'm going to put some pressure up on here. So let's see. Well, why he didn't take that one, I don't really know. So you see, if we go back here, you see, he wanted to get rid of my bishop here. That my bishop really didn't do anything, and I like to get away his queen here. I mean, it doesn't really do anything here. He can't do anything. Not anything at all. It will take him like 3 moves or something to come up with something, and then it's too late. So this is a really good move, I think, because he can't take that one, because then it's mate. The queen will take that pawn. So I gain a move here, so to say. So and that move, I don't really know why. So as Fritz says, I have a number of threats here. So I will go up with the knight, and you see that's his only defense, which really sucks. I mean, he could have done, let's see here, he could have moved the king here. I think that would have been the best move, which he should have done earlier. So after this move, it's pretty much over. He can't really do anything here. I mean, he can't take, and if he moves, he will lose the rook. He will lose many pieces here from this one, and also I got this rook to help me. So it's pretty much mate in a couple of moves. Pretty interesting game, I think.